What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Hamistang, and today we got a new product over here from Kiwi Ears, and this is their ANC headphones, which I'm of course really excited to check out because I was like a good pair of headphones. And of course, with ANC as well, it's going to help me to focus on what I'm doing, just to enjoy my music, just to enjoy my content. And of course, in today's video, what we're going to do is of course go through the main specs and features of the Kiwi Ears ARDOR ANC headphones over here. So yes, without further ado, let's just get right into it. Alright, so I'm going to start off here with the pricing as well, and I'm going to leave all the links down below for you guys to check them out. So right now you can actually buy the Kiwi Ears for about $100, which I think is a really good price here. It's not too expensive, and of course you get a lot of cool features which we are going to check out. So in a quick unboxing video here, it's very nice and simple. I like the packaging. It looks really nice. Leave the music with some nice font design. We have also the other stuff here, which we're going to talk about in a little bit. And of course, very nice and simple packaging, I would say. And here we have with a nice case right off the box, which is going to be really nice. And I always like a nice case, especially with it. If you're going to travel, you don't want to damage or bend the headphones too much, which I think is going to be really helpful. And what we have here on the go is of course the user manual. Nobody reads that. And we also have the USB-C for charger. And we also have the aux cable as well. So in case if you guys want better sound and also you want better latency as well, you have the aux cable here. And we have the USB-C to USB-C cable as well to charge up your device. So one of the major features of the ARDOR headphones is the fact that its battery life would be able to last for a very long time. So with ANC off, you can actually have it for about 140 hours of music playback. With ANC on, it is of course cut to half at about 72 hours. And I've been using this for about 1 to 2 weeks already. Never really needed to charge it, which is of course going to be really helpful, especially if you are into long journeys, long traveling time. You don't really have the time to charge up your headphones. This definitely does help a lot. Just charge it at the start of your trip and you just gets the job done. And what of course is really helpful, especially when it comes to these headphones, in case if the battery drains out on you, is the fact that you can actually charge it up with the fast charging technology here. You can charge it for 10 minutes and it does give you 8 hours of playtime. So that's more than enough for most of your trips or flights. Alright, so here we have the ARDOR ANC headphones, and it does have a very light weightiness to it here. So definitely it's going to be really comfortable on your head and around here or ears as well. And as you can see here, we do have the signage here, left ear and also the right ear. So you don't need to worry about listening to the wrong side of stuff. And it does give you a very nice, comfortable ear puffs over here, and it's made out of your vegan leather, so you don't have to worry about damaging the environment. Very nice and comfortable. I use it for quite some time, for about 30 minutes to 1 hour for each session, and it definitely does feel very comfortable at my ears here. It does collect a little bit of sweat, especially because I'm from Malaysia, but wherever you're going in some cold countries, this one definitely is really comfortable, and also does give you very good comfort and protection for your ears as well. It's actually very big, so it definitely does cover a wide variety of your ear sizes, which of course is really nice. And of course you do have your attachments here, your extenders, to give you a little bit more some leeway in case if you do have some cap on you or something like that, you just want to use it. You have your foldable design here, so you can see that it stretches out really nice, very nice and flexible. It doesn't really get too loose even after long usage of time. And on the top here as well, you do have your nice leather feel as well. So if you can put it on your head, definitely feels really comfortable. You can see how squishy the material here is as well. Very nice to hold, very soft to the hands, very nice feel overall. And yeah, the attachments are not too bad. You can actually extend it for quite some length here. Overall, very nice clean finish. You have your plastic all around here. So for a so-called affordable headphones, it does give you a very good design and also build material. We have your Kiwi Ears logo, very nice. And also let's just go on to the USB-C You can see for your charging, you have your aux cable output here as well. You have your microphone, and also you have your button placement. So very nice, and I've been using it actually for some time. Like I mentioned before, the buttons feel definitely very kind of tactile, very clickish as well. So you definitely know what you're actually clicking. So you have your volume up and down, also your power button here as well. And also you have your ANC dedicated button on the other side. You don't have to worry about pressing it if you are using it on one side. So in terms of the ANC, it's able to cut out up to 35 decibels of sound, which is going to be really cool. And of course, when it comes to the Bluetooth connection here, it does have your Bluetooth 5.4. So I do have the Samsung S24 Ultra over here. So what you're going to do is just turn on the device. And it will show you the blue light. For the first time pairing, they would have actually the blue and red. So as you can see here, I already paired it up before with my S24 Ultra. You can see 100% of battery still remains, which is going to be really nice and helpful. And what I like about this is that if you're not actually using this headphones over here for about 5 minutes, just say you have something else to do, they would actually automatically disconnect and also power off. So definitely that helps a lot when it comes to the battery, which I actually really do enjoy, because sometimes I'm just going on to my work or whatsoever, I just put it on the side. I can't be always just clicking the button to turn it off. It knows how to automatically turn off, which of course is going to be really helpful. And yes, the Bluetooth connection is really nice, very fast, very stable as well in my long usages with this. And yes, it also does have your hybrid ANC noise cancellation, like I mentioned before, and it does have a dynamic driver performance. So this is one of the things that does come with the ARDOR headphones. What I notice about listening to music over here, especially I'm a person that likes to listen to Imagine Dragons, One Republic, all this kind of music. And what I can say is that the highs and lows are not too bad. The highs and mids, I would say, the voice does come out very nice, very clear. But when it comes to the bass on this, it's really nice and punchy. You can definitely feel the bass that does come with these headphones over here. So in case if you're a music lover, you will love it, especially when you're watching your movies and also when you're watching your action movies as well. The sound comes out very nice and clean. Voices are very clear and does give you that kind of dynamic sound with these headphones over here. I wouldn't say it's in the so-called premium range as like with the many other products, but for the price on this, I think the sound quality that does come out on this is really great. So now I'm going to talk about the buttons on this and how responsive they are. So you can see that if we press the power button, you go to play. Alright, so if I press it again, it will go to pause. And if I press the volume rockers, as you can see here, it responds very fast and very simple. And if you press and hold for about 1.5 seconds, it will go to the next track. And if you press the minus button here, hold it for about 1.5 seconds, it will go back to the previous track. And of course, in terms of when it comes to calls, you can just click on this once to answer calls, press it again to end the call. And if you go on to the other segment here, we go on to ANC. So you have your transparency mode and also your ANC on and off. And if you guys are using the aux cable settings as well, you can use it, still can use the ANC, same button placement over here with the aux cable. And talking about the Bluetooth 5.4, it is actually able to connect to 2 devices simultaneously. So in case if you're watching some content over here, you can actually pause it and then go on to your other device, which is the iPhone here. So you can actually connect it to both your Android and also your iOS device on the go, which of course is going to be really fun to play with. Alright guys, so this is basically how it looks like. We're doing a fit and also a mic test. So in case if you guys want to hang it around your neck, you can of course extend the thing to your neck's kind of circumference, and basically this is how it would feel and look like. Pretty comfortable, I would say. The leather, it's not too sweaty, especially here in Malaysia where it gets about 37 room temperature, but now I'm indoors so it's not too bad. And we're going to do another one with the headphones on. Alright guys, so here is it with the headphones on, and you can see it just fits it perfectly nice, not too comfortable, not too heavy, pretty comfortable I would say, and this is how it feels. And I've been listening to some music, some kind of just YouTube walking around, and what I noticed is that with the ANC it definitely cuts out a lot of sound. You don't have to worry about it. Transparency mode, not too bad I would say, it's still are able to hear things around you, which isn't so bad. And but of course you don't get that full clarity, but it still works pretty fine. And you can hear from the surrounding sound how my mic tests and how it sounds like. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this test here. Alright guys, so that is it with the Kiwi Ears ARDOR ANC headphones, and I think this is really good, especially for the price point on this. If you're looking for a good pair of headphones, I think this one here is worth the try. Definitely the quality is there. The sound quality is really good. You have your ANC here as well, your spatial audio to give you a better environment, kind of a better way of enjoying your content, which I of course really do like. The transparency mode on this, I would say between the transparency mode and the ANC, because this is headphones, so they do cover your ear quite a bit, especially for mine, which do have, I think, small ears. So they do cover quite a wide surface area. So when it comes to the transparency mode, I would say that you still would not be able to hear stuff on the outside too much. But definitely with the ANC on, it covers a lot of sound. So it definitely is really good. And yes, I think the quality on this for the price is really nice, especially when it comes to audio and also just the overall kind of features that does come with these headphones right now. So if you guys have any questions, do let me know in the comments down below. If you guys have any experiences as well, do so in the comment section. If you guys enjoyed this video, do click the like and smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.